Morgan Hill is home to more than 100 manufacturing companies that drive innovation through advanced engineering, precision production, and specialized services. Here is a glimpse into the diverse expertise these companies have to offer.
We are end-to-end in med tech. So behind me we've got molding, clean room assembly, machining, engineering. We've been in every part of the body, and so we know how to develop products and manufacture products that work as implants or as on the skin or in the eye, in the ear, pretty much everywhere.
The best way to describe us would be that we are an ag biotech company. The ag part is we grow and process mushrooms. And the biotech part is, as opposed to mushrooms that you would find in the grocery store, we process them into ingredients that goes into dietary supplements, functional food, and even a new food type called mamu.
So at O&Y position, we work for various different type of companies. Most of the companies that we work for are semiconductor industries, medical, nuclear reactors, automation. Our biggest strength is 5-axis machining. A lot of times we realize, hey, you know what? Let's try to keep the cost down to the customer. In order to do that, we wanted to limit the amount of time it takes to set up a part. You can do it on a 5-axis machine. The 5-axis machine is able to do all the operations in one setup. So that way the true positioning of the part is also there and making sure that the part is made in quality the first time.
Amtech Microelectronics specializes in onshore flip chip, die bonding, wire bonding, encapsulation, and SMT services. One of the advantages of doing business with Amtech is that we are a one-stop shop for a variety of different services, as well as the ability to safeguard intellectual property and build your project from prototype all the way to production level volume.
For our customers, the expertise we offer is the ability to design and fabricate all manner of products that are within our realm of offerings. We have customers that are manufacturing different types of aircraft that we develop these covers for as an accessory for their product.
Bruce is an expert in 3D design. That's what has propelled our business forward. When we first started out, we used to go to airports with
paper patterns, but now we use more advanced techniques and it works out very well for us. As I said, send them all over the world.
To learn more about existing Morgan Hill manufacturers and available space, visit our website at choosemorganhill.com.